Chicken Coops by Horizon Structures. With the outstanding variety of chicken coops we offer, there's sure to be one perfect for you. And isn't it good to know that these pre-manufactured coops are not kits? They're delivered fully assembled and ready for same-day use. Spotlight on a Quaker combination coop. As you can see, a combination coop is a coop with an attached run. This 6-foot by 16-foot Quaker Combo is perfect for flocks of 15 to 20 chickens. Finished with SmartSide wood siding, painted Navajo white with clay trim, and topped by a black metal roof, this coop truly makes a statement. The vent and windows are covered by protective wire mesh that allows for ventilation and natural light. A lockable door provides easy entry to the run and allows your chickens to free range if you choose. Access the interior of this coop via lockable doors. Enjoy simple egg collection with the external, full-width nesting lid supported by a gas prop strut. Inside, plenty of room with wooden roost bars and nest boxes. But that's not all. A partition wall has been added to provide a separate roosting area with its own chicken door, man door, and nest boxes. Two distinct areas inside the chicken house allow you to divide your flock if needed. This coop's also been upgraded with an optional solar-powered Wi-Fi chicken auto door. This opens and closes the door automatically or at a schedule you determine. We've also added a solar-powered light with timer and switch. But this coop's biggest trick is the heavy-duty wheel system. Simply pump the handle and the wheels lower to easily move this coop to a new site. That's this Quaker combination coop. This model gives you an idea of just how far you can take a basic model. And we'd like to build one just for you. Choose your size, colors, siding, roofing, then customize from a wide variety of options and upgrades to best fit your needs. Want to know more? We invite your call or email for more information, or stop by our website at horizonstructures.com. You can see all the models, options, and pricing. You'll also find some in-stock models available for quick shipping. Chicken Coops by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary quality, and amazing value.